Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today we are going to learn the basics of crochet. So I'm just going to use any hook and some yarn, and we are going to start with the basic words that are always used in the crochet industry. And so first, you always hear let's tie a knot, and when you hear tie a knot, this is how you do one. So this is your yarn, so you just fold it like this and insert this prolonged yarn into this hole that you've made and pull out like that. So after doing that, that's how you tie a knot, so that you can adjust it like this and increase it like this depending on what you want. So after that, I'm going to repeat it. So this is your yarn, this is the end part and this is the other part that prolongs. So I'm just going to do like this, and after doing that like that, I'm going to insert my yarn here inside, and I'm going to pull it like that so that I can get to adjust and cross the way I want. So after that, you may hear chain 10. So after doing like that, this is all you insert your hook into the space that you made and cross your yarn in your finger. And if you hear someone saying do 5 chains, this is how you do chains. You take your hook, put it under the yarn and pull inside the first hole. So this is how you do chains. I hope you understood there. So I'm going to repeat how we do chains. So this is the first space that we made here. I'm just going to insert my hook like that, and so roll my yarn into my finger and do chains. So this is how you do it. Insert your hook like this, then pass it under the yarn and pull inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how you'll be doing. You just insert your hook, pull it through the hole that was in your hook, and you do it like that. So then you again come to here that do single chains. So this is how you do single chains. So you always have to skip the first chain that you made. And so how do you do a single chain? Take your hook, insert it into the second chain like that. If you're making a row, that is, after insert it like that, take your hook, put it inside the chain that you made and pull through like that. So let me repeat it. Take your hook, and so this is the yarn that is inside the hook, and go to the next stitch, this one. Insert your hook like this, grab your yarn like that, insert it inside the stitch and pull through both. So that's how you do a single crochet. So take your hook, insert it inside this stitch here. This is a chain, and this one alone it's called a loop, but I called it a stitch. So this is a loop. So after inserting it into your loop, you pull through and pull through. So that's what you call a single chain. Just insert your yarn insert your hook into the loop, pull your yarn through and yarn over. So that's what you call a single stitch. And that's how, if you hear that do like 10 single stitches, single chains I mean, this is what we call a single chain. So another term that is commonly used is basically the double crochet, and I'm going to show you a double crochet. So chain 2. If you're starting a row in a double crochet, you always have to chain 2 and then turn your work. So when you hear a double crochet, so you're just going to take your hook, yarn over into the hook, insert it into your first loop or first chain, pull through 1, Then after doing that, you realize you have 3 chains inside this, 3 loops inside the hook. So I'm going to pull through 2 and pull through 2. So that's what you call. So I'm going to do another double crochet. So yarn over into the hook, then insert your hook into the next loop or chain, then pull through 1, then pull through 2, then pull through 2. So this is what you have. So you just basically yarn over into the hook, insert your hook into the chain, then pull through 1, then pull through 2, and pull through 2. So that will be the continuation. You like this, you do like this. So after that, we have a half double crochet. It's called the HDC. So how do you do a HDC? You do like this. It's always abbreviated as HDC. You do like that. Insert your hook here and pull through all. So after pulling through 1, you just pull through all like that. We pull through all into 3. So you insert your hook here and pull through all. So after pulling out like that, you pull through all 3, and you have your half double crochet. So and then you pull through all 3. So after that pattern, there is another pattern that's called the treble crochet. So treble crochet, you chain 1, 2, 3, and so you'll be yarning into your hook 2 times. So 1, 2, and after doing that, you insert it into your first chain or loop, then pull through 1, pull through 2. You still have 3 chains into your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So this is what you call a treble crochet. So you yarn into your hook twice, then insert your hook into this next chain. After doing that, you pull through 1, then pull through 2, then pull through 2, then pull through 2. So this is a treble crochet. So these are the main patterns that are always used in the crochet. So this is the treble crochet. I have told you the half double crochet, the single crochet, single chain, and the double crochet. There is also another pattern that's called double crochet 2 stitches together. It's always abbreviated as DC2TOG, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just take your yarn over once, go into your next chain, insert your hook, pull through 1 and pull through 2. So after pulling through 2, you just leave it like that, then yarn over again, insert your hook into the next chain. After doing that, you pull through and pull through 2 and then pull through all 3. This is what we called a double crochet 2 stitches together. So you insert your yarn like this, insert your chain, pull through and pull through 2, then leave them like that, then yarn over into your hook again, then insert your hook into the next chain, then pull through 1 and pull through 2, then pull through 3. So you realize doing that you increase the number of chains, because they were 4 but they've become 2 chains. So thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and let me know in the comment section which pattern you all wanna learn, or which words are mostly used on crochet that you wanna learn.